Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to stream games on Steam Link. To stream games on Steam Link, open the application store on your device. This could be Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS. In the search bar, type Steam Link and look for the official Steam Link app. Download and install it on your device. Then launch the Steam Link app and tap on Get Started to initiate the setup process. Within the app, tap on Mainframe to access the main interface. Find and copy the provided code displayed on the screen. This unique code is essential for linking your mobile device to your computer. On your computer, launch the Steam application. In the top left corner of the Steam window, click on Steam and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Pair Steam Link. This will prompt you to enter the code displayed on your mobile device. Type in the code you copied from the Steam Link app on your mobile device and confirm. Once the pairing process is successful, you are ready to start playing. Your mobile device is now connected to your computer via Steam Link, allowing you to stream and enjoy games seamlessly. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily set up a Steam Link and begin streaming your favorite games from your computer to your mobile device. This convenient process enhances your gaming experience by computer games on a mobile screen with ease. And that's how to stream games on Steam Link. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.